I'll continue the lesson All the World Her Stage. In the previous video, I had completed up to 11th paragraph. Now I'll continue with the remaining. And in 11th paragraph, you had studied that an incident happened in the library. As once by mistake, she rushed into the library and she stepped on a book, and father asked her to stop and asked her to do namaskar, that is ask for forgiveness. So, and she learned, that is I learned to respect the books from her early in life. So, that's what you had learned in the previous paragraph. So, now we'll continue. 12th paragraph. It was not fun for her always, as she was plump and her mates used to make fun of her. Okay, so as she was plump fat, her friends used to mock her, laugh at her. Okay, so they are given the example. You can't run with us, Sai, jeer, chendu. Okay, jeer means mocked, laughed at. Okay, as she was a bit plump, okay, her friends used to mock, laugh at her. So one of her friend called Chandu, she used to laugh and say her that you can't run with us. And another friend of her, Meera, unkindly, she said her that you make our team weak. Never can you keep yourself active, you're too fat, added Devyani. So like this, her friends used to mock her because she was a bit plump. Okay. So Sai's face crumpled. So when her friends mocked and laughed at her, okay, as she was not very active physically, okay, her playmates used to make fun of her, okay, and they did not allow her to take part in any of the games with the view that she may weaken their team and they may not win. Okay, so and when her friends had mocked at her like this, she used to sit crumpled. Crumpled means crushed. Okay, and she sat gloomily. Gloomily means very sadly. Okay, and by the sidelines, watching her friends laugh and play happily. Okay, as she was not taken to the games. Okay, she used to sit. Okay, gloomily, sadly by the sidelines. Sidelines means area just outside the sports field. Okay, as she was not taken to the game, okay, making to feel them that she may weaken their team and they may not win. Okay, so she was made to sit just outside the sports field, that is sidelines. Soon her face brightened and she cried out, "Hey, I know a lovely game. It's a magic island full of hidden treasure." Okay, as she was deeply depressed, okay, when they had not taken, and she was sitting and observing the play of her mates sitting outside a sports field. All of a sudden she got a brilliant idea. Okay, so she shouted and said to one of her friends that, "Hey, I know a lovely game, a game of magic island and full of hidden treasure." So she drew the attention of one of her mates who was playing that team, okay, saying that she know a lovely game. It's a game of a wonderful, it is a magic island with a full of a treasure. Okay, so her mates who were playing, they heard it. One of the mates, she heard it and gathered around her to listen to her story. So when she said that she knew a lovely game of a hidden treasure and a magic island, so all her friends gathered, that means ran to her, and they surrounded her to listen to her story. In no time, she cast a spell of magic. She cast a spell of magic. That means she told a story which attracted everyone. Okay, she drew the attention of her friends by telling that she knew a lovely game. Okay, so all of a sudden what happened? All her friends had come and they circled around her, and she was able to draw their attention by telling the story. She attracted them by telling the story. Okay, so they not only listened to the fantastic story but were also ready to take roles and act as she directed. Okay, so she told them the story. It was so attracted to them that they even took the roles. It means they chose the characters in that story, and Sai Paranjapai had directed them how they have to enact that role. Okay, such was her magic of spell. Okay, so she told the story and her mates took the cast, it means to took the role, and they began to enact. Okay, and this went on not for a day or two, but for the whole week. Okay, so this is how she was able to win her friends. Okay, so she was rejected from playing the game. That means as she was a plump, she was not taken to the game, and she was sitting on the sideline and watching her friends were laughing and playing, and all of a sudden she got a brilliant idea, and she said one of her playmates that she knew a lovely game of a hidden treasure and a magic island. So as soon as she said that, all her friends had come towards her and began to listen to her story. And they not only listened to her story, they even took the role and began to enact, and she directed them. Okay, so she directed the role. Okay, so this is how she won the she was able to win her friends. Okay, so I want you people to observe few words in this paragraph, children. You see the last paragraph, last line, whole. Okay, W-H-O-L-E, whole. And another word, H-O-L-E, whole. I had told you in the previous video about the homophones. Homophones are the words which have same sound but have different spellings and different meaning, right? So you observe here W-H-O-L-E, whole. Okay, so what is the meaning of this whole? It refers to something that is complete. For example, she spent the whole of the year, that means the complete of the year in the hospital. So W-H-O-L-E is complete. Another word, H-O-L-E, whole. This whole refers to the hollow space. Okay, so example, he escaped through a hole in the wall. Okay, so this is also homophone. I want the people to observe another word in that last paragraph, that is 13th paragraph, last word, weak. W-E-A-K, weak, and W-E-E-K, weak. So you could see that you can hear the same sound, W-E-A-K, weak, strong, weak. So here it refers to something that is not strong. Okay, so for example, she is still weak after her illness. Okay, so it is opposite of strong, W-E-A-K. So for opposite of strong, you should write W-E-A-K, weak. Okay, so another week, that means W-E-E-K, week. A period of 7 consecutive days, that means 1 week, 7 days in a week. Okay, so that is the meaning of a week. Okay. So another set of words you all see, children, role, R-O-L-E, role, and R-O-L-L, role. R-O-L-E, role is a part in a movie or a play. Okay, for example, you can say that he played an important role in the project. Otherwise, I'll be a role model for others. Okay, so here another word, R-O-L-L, role. Role means name usually in the role. That means a list of usually of names. Or otherwise you can say to move, rotate, roll the mat, roll the carpet, you say, no? So moving, okay? So move by rotating, okay? Another one is a piece of bread, okay? So like this you have homophones, sound same but have a different meaning. So now we'll go to the next paragraph, 15th paragraph. Sai was always fascinated by many things. Fascinated means attracted, okay? One of them was a doll's wedding. So Sai was fascinated with the doll's wedding. Okay. This is a traditional game. What is traditional game? Doll's wedding. Okay. Doll's wedding is a traditional game played by Maharashtrian girls. Children conduct marriage of a bride doll and a groom doll. Mantras are chanted, and good, that is jaggery, and poha, that is beaten rice, are shared. So what is fascinating Sai as a child? That is doll's wedding. Okay, it's usually a traditional game played by the Maharashtrian girls. Okay, next paragraph, 16th paragraph. As a child, she said one day, "Mummy, you never let me have any fun," complainingly. Mother said, "All right, you want a wedding? Well, you will have one that you can never forget." Okay, so she asked her mother, Sai asked her mother that she never let her any fun. Okay, so complainingly she told her mother that she never let her to have any fun. So mother assures her by saying that you want a wedding. Okay, so when you have that one, you will never forget. And one day when she came back from the school, the whole house looked like a marriage hall, and before she could say anything, she was dressed like a bride's mother. And the band arrived, and she was dressed like a bride's mother, and the band arrived. The groom rode on a real steed. Steed means a horse. And all the children of the locality took part. And the bride was brought with all the religious chanting. So she complained mother by saying that she never let her to have any fun. Okay, so in order to surprise her, that means she could see one day when she came back from the school, her house was decorated like a marriage hall, and immediately she was dressed up like a bride's mother, and they had a marriage. Okay, they had gave a marriage wherein she was towards the side of a groom mother. Okay, all the children in the locality had participated in that. Okay, so the mother that day, so fond of drama, grew up to become one of the India's leading filmmaker and a theatre personality. So a girl of 8 or 10 those days who played a role of a bride's mother, today she has become a living legend. That means become a great theatre personality. Okay, so this is about Sai Parakh.